Euclid division introduction test. So Euclid division is easy to calculate by using the to find out HCF. First of all, Euclid division equation is A equal to B cube plus R. The condition is 0 less than or equal to R less than B. This is the condition for Euclid division. If B value is 3, then R value is 0, 1, 2. If B value is 4, then R value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how can you find out the HCF by using Euclid division lemma of two numbers? Let us consider 50, 70. Which is the largest number here? 70 is the largest number. So and the remaining number is 50. So 50 into 1. 51 here 50. So 20. 70. So now place this value here and this value equal 20 into 1 20. 20 into 2 40. 40 plus 10. Now 20 here. No 10. 10 into 2 0. So whenever 0 comes, the process stops here. Here the HCF of 50 and 70 is 10. HCF is 10. Okay. Of 50 and 70. Let us enter another example. 96 and 72. 96 and 72. Which is the largest number here? 96. So 72. 72 can be written as 72 into 1. 72 1 there 72. Remaining balance is 24. Now 72 here 24. 24 into 2 48. 24 into 3 72 plus 0. So HCF is 24. 0 comes, the process stops. So HCF is 24. Now consider. Okay. Now consider 196 and 38 220. 38 So which is the largest number here? 38 220. How can you write 196 into 195 plus 0? So HCF is 196 is the HCF. Okay. Next one. Using Euclid division lemma, show that any odd positive integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Any odd positive integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Okay. First of all, what is the value here? What is the B value here? 6. Let B equal to 6. Whenever B value 6, R value lies between. We know that. A equal to B cube plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Let B equal to 6. whenever b value 6, r value lies between 0 and 6. So r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so case 1, case 1, b equal to 6, r equal to 0, b equal to 6, r equal to 0. Submit these values in that equation. So a equal to 6 cube plus 0. Next case 2, b equal to 6, r equal to 1, a equal to 6 cube plus 1. Next case 3, b equal to 6, r equal to 2, a equal to 6 cube plus 2. Next case 4, b equal to 6, r equal to 3. So a equal to 6 cube plus 3. Next case b equal to 6, r equal to 4. So a equal to 6 cube plus 4. Next final case, case 6, b equal to 6, r equals to 5, a equal to 6 cube plus 5. So every odd positive integer, odd means 1, 3, 5 like that. So is it a odd number or even number? Even number. Even when we add 0 to even number, it becomes even number. So this is not the case. Is it even number or odd number? Even number. 6 is an even number. Any number multiplied with even number, the number will be even number. Suppose let us consider 3. 3 is generally a odd number. Multiplied by 2. 2 is an even number. 3 into 2, 6. Oh, again 3 into 4, 12. So any odd number is multiplied by even number, the result will be the even number. So here it is an even number. But whenever we add odd number to the even number becomes odd number. Suppose take 2. 2 is an even number. When we add 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is an odd number. So this is an odd number. Whenever we add odd number to the even number, the result will be the odd number. In the similar way, whenever we add even number to the even number, the result will be the even number. So this case is wrong because we need odd number, but it is an even number. Next case, it is an even number. Even number plus odd number, odd number. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is an odd number. In the similar way, it is also a false statement. Even number plus even number, even number. So even number plus odd number, odd number. So this one. Okay. Any positive odd number is in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, or 6 cube plus 5. Okay. Next. Okay. Show that square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. Here what is the value of p here? 3. Solution. According to Euclid division lemma, so a equal to b cube plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This is the case. Here p value is 3. Let b value is 3. Obviously automatically r lies from 0 1 2. Okay, case 1, b value 3, r value 0. Okay, b value 3 and r value is 0. Put these values in the given equation. A equal to 3q plus 0. So a equal to 3q. It is a general some number, but square of any positive integer square. So you need to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So a square equal to 3q whole square. That equals to a square equal to 9q square. 3 square value 9, q square value q square. So a square equal to, it is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So you need to write like this, 3q square. Okay, a square equal to 3q square. So a square equal to 3p. Let us, this is a p, where p equal to 3q square. Okay, square of any number is of that form 3p. Next case 3p plus 1. So second case, case 2, 1, case 2, b equals to 3, r equals to 1, a equal to 3q plus 1. Again squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So a square equals to 3q plus 1 whole square. 3q. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, that equal to a square equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So what is the common factor here? 3. Q. Q is also a common factor, but we need only 3 here. So a square equal to 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Let's take this is the p. A square equal to 3p plus 1, where p equal to 3q square plus 2q. Okay. So it is also another case 2. So case 3. B equal to 3, r equals to 2. B equal to 3, r equals to 2. So a equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So a square equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. A square equal to 3q plus 2. Again a square equal to, this value is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square equals to 9q square plus 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12q plus 2 square value 4. Okay. So you have to write 4 as 3 plus 1. Why? Because plus 1 is here. So a square equals to 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Now a square, what is the common factor here? 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Now this is a p. So a square equal to 3p plus 1. A square equal to 3p plus 1. So square of any positive integer is of the form, square of any positive integer is of the form 3p. Square of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1. Square of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1. Okay. Next, fourth one. Okay. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. Again same solution is, what is the p-value here? 9. What is the p-value here? 9. But there are 8 cases. There are 9 cases. So we have to take 3 because 3 is the multiple of 9. So we have to take 3. So according to Euclid division lemma, A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Let B equals to 3. Let B value is 3. What is the R value there? R is 0, 1, 2. R value is 0, 1, 2. So case 1, B value A equal to 3Q plus, let B equal to 3, R equals to, next step, A equal to 3Q plus 0, A equals to 3Q. What we have to do is cube of any positive integer. Cube of any positive integer. So A square equals to 3Q whole cube. A cube equal to 3Q whole cube. A cube equal to 3 cube value 27 and it is cube. So we have to write in the form of multiples of 9. So how can we write 27 as multiples of 9? 9 into 3. So 9 into 3 cube. Okay. So A cube equal to 9m. Where this one is m. Where m is 3 cube. Okay. So cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m. Next one. Okay. Next one. Case 1 is over. Next case 2. Case 2. B equal to 3, R equals to 1. So A equal to 3Q plus 1. A equal to 3Q plus 1. Again what we have to do is cubing on both sides. So A cube equals to 3Q plus 1 whole cube. A. So A cube equal to A plus B whole cube formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3 A plus B whole cube. A cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square plus B cube. Okay. So A cube equal to 3 cube whole cube plus 3 cube whole square plus 3
cube into 1 square plus 1.
Okay. So A cube equal to, what is the value here? 3 cube value 27 cube. 3 square value 9. 9 into 3 27 cube square into 1. 3 3 is 9. 1 square 1. 1 into 9 9 cube plus 1 cube value 1. So it is in the form of 9m plus 1. So we have to plus 1 as plus 1. So what is the common factor of these 3 terms? 9. So A cube equal to 9 into 3 cube plus 3 q square plus q plus 1. So this is considered as m. A cube equal to 9m plus 1, where m equals to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Okay, this is the case 2. Now case 3, what is r next r value is there 2. So case 3, b equals to 3, r equals to 2. So a equal to 3q plus 2 4 2. Answer. A cube equal to 3q plus 2 4 cube. Okay, what we have to is a cube equal to a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, a cube plus 3a square plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Now a cube equal to 3 cube value 27 q cube, 3 square value 9, 9 into 3 27 q square. Oh wait, 27 into 2 54 q square plus 2 square value 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 3 36 cube plus 2 cube value 8 plus 8. So what is the common factor of the first 3 terms? 9. So a cube equal to 9 into 3q cube plus 9 in 54 6 into 9 in 36 4 cube plus 8. So now it is can be taken as a cube equal to 9m plus 8. A cube equal to 9m plus 8. So square of any cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay na? Okay. Show that one and only out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is a positive integer. Show that one and only out of n plus 2, n plus or n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Okay, so here what is the b value here? 3 is the b value. Again solution according to Euclid division lemma, a equal to b cube plus r where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This is the case. So here b value is 3. So let here n plus 2, n plus 4 are also the numbers but divisible by 3. So we have to replace a by n. So let a equal to n, b equal to 3. R value obviously lies between 0, 1, 2. So case 1, a equal to n, b equals to 3, r equals to 0. Submit these values in this equation. N equals to 3 cube, n equals to 3 cube, then the remainder is 0. Whenever a number is multiplied and the remainder is 0, so that the value is divisible by particular number. So now add what is the next number here? Plus 2. Now add 2 on both sides. Now add 2 on both sides. So n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2. Here the remainder is 2. So it is not divisible by 3. Here the remainder is 0. So it is divisible by 3. Here the remainder is 2. So it is not divisible by 3. Now add. What is the next value here? 4. Now add 4 on both sides. So add 4 to this equation, not this equation. Okay, n plus 4 equals to 3q plus 4. Here the again the remainder is 4. So it is now you can easily write as n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 3 plus 1. So 3 equal to q plus 1 plus 1. Here again the remainder is 1. So in the first case, show that one and only out of n plus 2 n plus 4. Here only in the first case only it is proved at n. The Grimm's provide. Okay. Next case 2. Okay. Case 2. Again a equal to n, b equal to 3, r equal to 1. A equal to n, b equals to 3, r equals to 1. A equals to 3q plus 1. A equal to 3. Sorry, a value is n. So n equals to 3q plus 1. Okay. So if it is multiplied by 3 and the result is and the remainder is what is the remainder here? 1. So it is not divisible by 3. So what we have to do is add plus 2 on both sides. Add 2 on both sides. n plus 2 equals to 3q plus 1 plus 2. So n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 3. So n plus 2 equal to 3 into q plus 1 plus 0. When a number is multiplied by 3 and the remainder is 0, it is the perfect number. So in this case remainder is 0. In this n plus 2 number, the remainder is 0. Now add 4 on both sides to this equation. Okay, na? N plus 4 equals to 3q plus 1 plus 4 5. Again n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 5 can be written as 3 plus 2. So n plus 4 equal to 3 comes q plus 1 plus 2. Here is also the remainder is 2. So in this case it is possible at n plus 2. Okay, next case 3. Case 3. A equal to n, b equal to 3, r equal to 2. A equal to n, b equals to 3, r equal to 2. So n equal to 3q plus 2. The remainder is 2. So it is not divisible by the number 3. So it is not satisfy the given condition. Next we add 2 on both sides. So n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 4. Again n plus 2 3q 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. n plus 2 equal to q plus 1. Here the remainder is 1. One a number is multiplied by 3 and the remainder is 1. So it is not divisible by. So now we add 4 to this equation. Add 4 on both sides. So n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4. What is the common factor here? Multiplied by 3. Q plus 2. And we can write easily as 0. Whenever a number multiplied by 3 and the So one and only out of n, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3 and the remainder is 0. So hence proved. Okay na? Any doubts?